Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about sound setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how can you off this dial pad tone. If you want to off this dial pad tone in Vivo phone, so you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So guys, let's see how to off it. Guys, first of all open your phone setting to off this dial pad tone. So we will click on setting option. After that guys, you will have to come on sound setting. Then guys scroll it. Okay, you can see then dial pad tone. So you can see it's on. So you want to off, so you can off from here. And guys, now let's see. You can see dial pad tone has off in our Vivo phone. So I think friends, you have understood how to off dial pad tone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.